Check out this 2006 BMW X3 3.0i. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are variable speed intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, power door locks, rain sensing wipers, leather steering wheel, passenger illuminated visor mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, and AC. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.